How you doing, YouTube? Once again, God is good all the time. So this right here is the 02 Avalanche Z71 off-road edition, fully loaded, sunroof, fog lights, leather interior, brand new tires. Not sure if you're familiar with these or not, but you know they got a little side thing, little cubby right there. All that works. Got your bed cover, got your tailgate. Like I say, everything works. Dual exhaust, flow masters, clean title in hand. Also, here's the interior of the car. You know, got the Chevy seats. Everything folds down like they supposed to. The back window comes out. Like I say, you can also camp in here. I say interior in great condition. Everything works. All the door panels are there, not missing no pieces. Small little rip right here on the driver's seat. Other than that, interior's in great condition. Has OnStar, brand new Alpine CD player, sunroof. Like I say, sunroof works. Pop the hood for you. Like I say, only little body damage, small little dent right there, which can be popped out. Little scratch right there on the door. I'm just trying to show you everything so I'm not wasting your time, you're not wasting my time. Underneath the hood, 5.3 Vortec, K&N air filter. You can hear the motor. Motor solid. No ticking, no knocking, no leaking. Once again, 02 Avalanche Z71. Pretty low miles on the truck for the year. 6,000 best offer. You know, cash in hand. Y'all have a blessed day, and thank you for looking.